An AI agent is a software program designed to perceive its environment and take actions to achieve specific goals. Think of it as an autonomous helper that can perform tasks on your behalf. It follows a loop of observing, thinking, acting. The agent receives information, processes it using a large language model or other algorithms, and then produces an output. This output could be text, a spoken response, or a command sent to another system. The core idea is to automate complex workflows that traditionally require human intelligence and intervention. This capability makes agents powerful tools for a wide range of applications. Simple examples help clarify what an AI agent does. A customer service chatbot is a common type of agent. It understands user questions and provides answers from a knowledge base. A more advanced agent might act as a personal travel planner. The first and most critical step in building an AI agent is to define its role. The role is the agent's primary job or purpose. A clearly defined role provides direction for every subsequent decision. It helps you determine what the agent should and should not do. A vague or overly broad role will lead to a confused and ineffective agent. Therefore, it is essential to be specific. Write a single, concise sentence describing the agent's main function. That sentence is your guiding principle. Examples: writing assistant, vague, helps with writing. Writing assistant, specific, this agent helps users compose professional and polite business emails. That means, understands formal language, understands email structure. Shopping assistant, ramerstan, poor, finds products. Shopping assistant, strong. This agent finds the lowest prices for specific electronic gadgets from a list of approved online retailers. Focus on electronics and price comparison, not general product discovery. After defining the agent's role, the next step is to design its inputs and outputs. The input is the information the agent receives to start its task, while the output is the result it produces upon completion. The design of these two components determines how users will interact with your agent and how the agent will deliver value. It is crucial to keep the formats for both input and output as simple and structured as possible. This clarity helps both the user and the agent understand what is expected, leading to more reliable and predictable performance. First, consider the input format. What kind of data will the agent need to perform its role? Input can be simple text, such as a user's question. It could also be more complex, a voice command, an uploaded image, data from a sensor. For an email writing assistant, the input might be a text prompt from the user. If your agent is built on top of a large language model, prompting is how you instruct it on how to behave. A prompt is a set of instructions given to the model before it receives any user input. This initial instruction, often called a system message, sets the agent's persona, rules, constraints. A well-crafted prompt guides the model to produce aligned outputs. The process of refining this prompt based on performance is called tuning. It's an iterative cycle of testing and improving. Start by writing a clear and concise system message. Define the agent's identity and primary objective. For example, for a writing assistant designed to help with emails, you are a helpful assistant named Email Helper. Your goal: write clear, professional, concise emails. Always maintain a friendly but formal tone. Show diagram, system message, user examples. Final user query. In addition to the system message, include a few examples of good interactions. Few shot prompting. Next up, adding reasoning and tool use. To handle complex tasks, an AI agent needs the ability to reason and use tools. Reasoning is the process of breaking down a problem into a sequence of logical steps. You can encourage this behavior by prompting the model to think, step by step. What was the weather like in Paris during my trip last June, and can you recommend a similar destination for this year? The agent should first reason that it needs to perform two distinct tasks. Find historical weather data, provide a travel recommendation. Tools are external programs or APIs that an agent can call to acquire information or perform actions that the language model cannot do on its own. Common tools include a web search engine, a calculator, a calendar API, a database query function. This often involves providing the model with a description of each available tool and its purpose. You have access to a tool named Calculator. Use this tool whenever you need to perform a mathematical calculation. Logging and monitoring tool use is also a crucial practice. Next, then, structuring multi-agent logic. Some problems are too complex for a single agent to solve effectively. You can design a system of multiple agents that collaborate to achieve a common goal. This is called a multi-agent system. It involves assigning different roles to different agents and defining a communication protocol for them to work together. Example, build a research team of specialized agents. Searcher, searching the web for relevant articles. Summarizer, summarizing those articles. Compiler, compiling the summaries into a final report. The key is a clear division of labor. Each agent has a distinct, well-defined role. Use a coordinator or manager agent. The manager decides when the final goal is achieved and delivers the final output. Next, adding memory for context. For an AI agent to provide personalized and coherent interactions, it needs a form of memory. Memory allows the agent to recall information from previous conversations and use it to inform its current responses. This context makes the agent feel more intelligent and less repetitive. Without memory, every interaction with the agent would start from a blank slate, forcing the user to repeat information they have already provided. A better approach is to store a concise summary of key information. This might include the user's name, their stated preferences, or the outcomes of previous tasks. A simple approach is a short-term buffer. For long-term memory, use a vector database. You must be transparent with users about what information is being stored and obtain their consent. Next, adding vision sound capabilities. Many AI agents can be made more powerful by giving them the ability to perceive the world through vision and sound. These capabilities, often called perception modules, allow an agent to process inputs beyond simple text. An agent with vision can analyze images, videos. An agent with sound capabilities can understand spoken commands and respond with synthesized speech. The model can perform tasks like object detection, text recognition, OCR, or image classification, and use a vision model to identify any visible defects like cracks or scratches, then report its findings in a text summary. The STT module captures audio and transcribes it. The agent generates a response. The TTS module speaks it back, and respond with, "OK, turning on the lights." The agent should be programmed to recognize these failures and respond gracefully. Please provide a clearer picture. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat it? Conclusion. A simple path to your first agent. In this essay, we have outlined a clear, step-by-step methodology for building an AI agent. The process begins with the most fundamental step, defining a specific and narrow role for your agent. From there, you design the formats for its inputs and outputs, ensuring a clear contract for how it communicates. For agents based on large language models, crafting a precise prompt with a system message and examples is crucial for tuning its behavior. You can then extend the agent's capabilities by enabling it to reason through complex problems and use external tools. For more advanced tasks, you can structure a team of multiple agents, each with a specialized role, that collaborate to solve a problem. Adding a memory component allows your agent to remember past interactions, providing a more personalized and context-aware experience. Furthermore, incorporating vision and sound capabilities can unlock a new dimension of interaction. Finally, the agent's output must be delivered effectively through a simple and intuitive user interface or a well-documented API. Safety, testing, and continuous improvement are threads that run through this entire process. Pick a task and start building. Try builders like CrewAI and RunnerH. Thanks for watching.